Hello guys, welcome to AKS Tech. So today I'm going to show you how you can create a ChatGPT account from your mobile phone. So firstly, go to Google Chrome and type here ChatGPT. Click on next and then open the first link. Now you can read all those things about ChatGPT. So click on try ChatGPT and it will say login or sign up. Click on sign up. Now you need to have an email on which you are going to create your ChatGPT account. So type your email here. Let me type my email. And then set up a password here. Click on continue. It's taking some time to load. Wait for it. Now it will send you a verification email to your Gmail account. So open your Gmail account. So guys, in your Gmail you'll have this email from OpenAI which says verify email address. Click on it and just let it verify your email. Choose your first name, let's say AKS Tech. Choose your birthday. Click on contact. Guys, you have to put your phone number here. Let me put mine. So it will send an OTP to your WhatsApp. There's a puzzle. You have to solve this puzzle. So these are just cars and it's saying that you have to put the car in the right sequence. It's not that hard, you get the idea. Click on submit. So they've sent me a code to my WhatsApp and here you can see the code. It is 723091. So I just added my code and that's all. You're inside the ChatGPT. So that's for today's video. That's how you create a ChatGPT account. You can do all the cool stuff that you want with ChatGPT. So guys, subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon. So guys, subscribe to my channel and I'll see you guys in the next video.